Hey everybody, we got an unexpected package today, so I guess we better open this. It's from Kim Wilson and Healed Heart. You guys are nuts. You're just absolutely crazy. All right, Charlie's here to help us today. This side up. The other side says, this side down, please. Thank you. Oh, boy. What do you think it is, Charlie?
I don't know. Could be a chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah. Maybe not.
Hashtag Spirit Fire, hashtag TazMan. Oh, wow. Do you want to read it, Charlie?
What is it about?
Do you want to read it or do you want me to read it?
You can read it.
I'll read it. Okay, it says, TazMan, I hope this painting finds you well.
Painting?
I love and appreciate all the scenery out your way. One day, months ago, I took a snapshot of your video so I could have a go at painting it. I am just teaching myself to paint. It was fun, great practice, and I learned a lot. Thanks for being you and encouraging the rest of us to be us. Much love and light your way. Love, Kim and Angie. Oh my gosh, Charlie.
Do you want to paint?
Right?
Of one of your videos.
We're going to find a good spot for this, I got a feeling.
Yeah.
Look at all this nice packaging.
Yeah.
Try not to let it blow away.
Okay.
You might need to repack it up for a while.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
You recognize that?
Yeah, it's their Spirit Fire.
Oh man. Wow. Looks just like it, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Hold that up, Charlie. You got it?
Yeah.
Look at that. We got to get some light on that. We got to get some light on that somehow. Go over here, Charlie. Go right over by the Spirit Fire. Right there. Turn it a little bit. That way. There, look at that. Look. There it is. Let's put it right over here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is unreal. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Wow. That is pretty special.
Yeah. Look how cool he did the fire.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Had to have been in the winter when it was snowy in the mountains.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
Oh my gosh. Don't touch that. Don't rub this off. Wow. Look at my coffee cup right there.
Yeah.
Right down to the coffee cup.
Yeah.
Bucking Special, Casterman Classic. Wow. Unbelievable, you guys.
And the chainsaw. There's 2 chairs. And
Unbelievable.
that piece of wood. And a couple pieces are there.
Wow. That is awesome. Let's get some more of the view. It's kind of cloudy here today. It froze last night. Had some frost. There's another view for you. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you guys. That is awesome. The old Spirit Fire pit.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back over to the tailgate, Charlie. Wow. You guys are awesome. Let's put that back in there. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. This
God.
looks like a paper airplane, Charlie.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. And we gotta find a pretty special place for that.
Yeah.
I can't have it in the, well, I could have it in the saw shack during the summer, but in the winter I don't want it to get too hot and dried out. We'll find a great spot for it. Wow. I'm just blown away by you guys. You people are amazing.
Yeah.
It's so funny too, because I just called you guys out. I called you guys out today when I got this. I had just called you guys out on the midweek Rippa. Oh wow, what a great gift. I am blown away. You people amaze me every single day. Every day. It's something new. It's crazy. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Wow. Spirit Fire memory forever. Charlie, you'll have that forever.
Yeah. Kind of one of our traditions.
Yep. Yep. So that tells me we better have a Spirit Fire, I suppose.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate it. Someday we'll all be sitting around the same campfire, same Spirit Fire. For sure. It's gonna happen. We just gotta make it happen. Make it happen, or let it happen, or however it's supposed to happen. It'll happen. Awesome. All right. Well, everybody, take care. Be safe. TazMan
And Little Taz
are rolling. Be kind.